don't get it. I told you, I'm not the Shelton you're looking for. Why won't you leave me alone?
Original Shelton or not, you're still a Shelton. Which means I still have to make you suffer.
Gotcha. Shit. I don't think I can find anymore. Using my powers is starting to hurt. And his words make me weaker. Need to leave now. While I have the chance to.
Wait. Please. Help me. It hurts so much. I promise I won't fight anymore. Just please help me out.
She's lying? I can't tell. I don't feel his second power anymore. I'm way too. Maybe he's telling the truth? Maybe we'll walk home? Fine, I'll heal you. There, that's enough for you to walk home. I'm leaving.
Got you.
No way. I can't move.
I can't believe you actually fell for that. Pathetic, really.
Let me go.
Why would I do that? Fun hasn't even started yet!
Fuck. If I don't do something now, he's going to kill me. I need to try one more time. No.
Oh, no, you don't.
Need to break loose. Oh no.
You know, you hurt my eye pretty bad back there. So, why don't I do the same to yours?